Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the best free apps every student should have in 2026. Let's get started. First, Notion. This is like your all-in-one school dashboard. You can take notes, organize your schedule, track homework, and even play your goals. Next, we have Quizlet, perfect for memorizing lessons. You can create flashcards or use ones made by other students. Great for exams and quick revision. Another must-have is CamScanner. You can scan your notes, homework, or documents using your phone and turn them into PDFs instantly. Don't forget Microsoft OneNote. This app is amazing for writing notes, drawing diagrams, and organizing your lessons in different sections. And finally, Google Calendar. If you struggle with time management, this app will change your life. You can plan your study sessions and never miss deadlines again. So yeah, these were the best free apps for students in 2026. If you use them correctly, you'll study smarter, not harder. Thank you. Follow for more.